Most of our clients can't do this. I mean, I've got a neutral square pelvis and over 90-degree hip flexion here. And so with that, most of our clients can't even get a neutral pelvis and 90-degree. We have to consider, is it valuable to have the leg hanging forward? Oh, you can't see that. Hanging forward in a straight leg? I say no. We want to get knee over hip and a level neutral pelvis, even if, and most often having to, bend the uplifted leg to at least get knee over hip, if not further in. So with that, if the leg is just hanging out doing circles in front and never coming up to the ceiling, that's a lot of rectus femoris just hanging on to the weight of the leg, and we never get the glory of gravity supporting the leg here. We're always hanging out here or somewhere even lower. I strongly suggest get knee over hip. Bend the knee as much as is necessary or as little as is necessary to get a level pelvis, knee over hip. Most people will not have 90 degrees neutral pelvis or further in. That is just how the human body is designed. So get knee over hip, neutral pelvis with as little bend of the knee as is necessary.